These are the Daily Tech headlines for Friday, July 5th, 2024. I'm Rob Dunwood. Cloudflare, the popular content delivery network and cloud service provider, has launched a new tool that prevents bots from scraping websites hosted on its platform for data to train AI models, and it's making it free. Cloudflare analyzes AI bot and crawler traffic to fine-tune automatic bot detection models and has determined factors such as common tools and frameworks used by scrapers and behaviors like mimicking the appearance and behavior of someone using a web browser, allowing the company to fingerprint bad actors. Cloudflare can flag traffic from those bots, and it has also set up a form for hosts to report suspected AI bots and crawlers. The feud between Epic Games and Apple continues as the Fortnite maker said Apple is impeding its attempts to set up game stores on iPhones and iPads in Europe. In a post on X, Epic said, "We are using the same install and in-app purchases naming conventions that are used across popular app stores on multiple platforms and are following standard conventions for buttons in iOS apps. Apple's rejection is arbitrary, obstructive, and in violation of the Digital Markets Act, and we've shared our concerns with the European Commission." YouTube Thursday released an updated eraser tool for creators, which allows them to remove any copyrighted music from their videos without affecting any other audio such as dialogues or sound effects. The new tool uses AI to specifically detect copyrighted songs without affecting other audio in the clip. But on its support page, YouTube still warns that at times the algorithm might fail to remove just the song. This edit might not work if the song is hard to remove. If this tool doesn't successfully remove the claim on a video, you can try other editing options such as muting all sound in the claim segments or trimming out the claim segments. The world's biggest chip maker, Samsung Electronics, Friday estimated a more than 15-fold rise in its second quarter operating profit as rebounding semiconductor prices driven by the artificial intelligence boom lifted earnings from a low base a year ago. Samsung estimated operating profit rose to 10.4 trillion won or $7.54 billion in the quarter, ended June 30th, up from 670 billion won a year ago. European Union regulators served the social media platform X with a formal warning for failing to combat dangerous content. Bloomberg reports the escalation, which could eventually pave the way for fines of up to 6% of X's revenue, is likely to be announced before the EU summer recess. Should X not make the necessary changes to address the European Commission's preliminary findings, the authority could proceed with a formal decision before the end of the year, according to people familiar with the matter. The Commission said its proceedings against X are ongoing and there are no time limits on the next step. An outage that prevented Amazon Kindle users from downloading new and previously purchased books on their e-readers has been resolved. In a message to The Verge, the company said yesterday, that's July 4th, some Kindle customers experienced an issue that impacted their ability to download ebooks. The issue was quickly resolved. The inability to download books was first reported by Good e-Reader, noting a response from Amazon support at the time that said it was the result of server issues and that it could be at least 48 hours before ebooks started downloading again. Fortunately, it didn't take that long. WA Beta Info spotted what appears to be a personalized AI avatar generator in WhatsApp Beta for Android 2.24.14.7. The in-development feature will seemingly use a combination of user-supplied images, text prompts, and Meta's AI Llama model to generate the images. A screenshot shared by WA Beta Info says that users can imagine themselves in any setting from the forest to outer space. The examples look fairly typical for those produced by AI generators, particularly if you've used apps like Lensa AI or Snapchat's Dreams selfie feature. The feature will reportedly be optional and will require users to manually enable it in WhatsApp settings before it can be used. And finally, Nike SelfLacing Adapt BB sneakers are losing their remote control app. The Nike Adapt app will be removed from the App Store and Google Play in August, though the $350 shoes can still be manually operated using the physical buttons on the sneakers to power them on and off, check battery status, tighten or loosen the laces, and save a single preset. Unfortunately, the lights on the shoes can no longer be controlled. For more discussion of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. You can find show notes and links to all the headlines there as well. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.